To draw easy anime eyes, first draw a downward curving line for the top of the eye. Then draw a short horizontal line centered under the first line to make the bottom of the eye. Draw an oval between these two lines to make the iris. Next, draw a small circle near the top right part of the oval so it looks like light is reflecting off of the eye. Draw a smaller circle on the bottom left part of the oval. Now draw a smaller oval inside of the first oval and fill it in to make the pupil. Finally, add eyelashes to the eye and shade it in. To draw serious anime eyes, first draw a horizontal line with a slight curve. Draw a short line coming down off of one end at a 45-degree angle to finish the top of the eye. Then draw a short horizontal line centered under the first line to make the bottom of the eye. Draw an oval between the two lines to make the iris. Now add a small circle near the top left part of the oval so the eye looks like it's reflecting light. Make a smaller circle on the bottom right part of the oval. Next, draw a small oval inside of the iris and fill it in to make the pupil. Finally, shade in the iris to finish your drawing.